Okay, here we are, just at the start of the third week in June. Been a bit of a dreary week, lots of rain, so my rain barrel's full again. So I'm again using the rainwater to water my tomatoes. And here we are. This is the Rio Grande. Boy, he's just covered with blossoms. You see, got my strings up to help keep them upright rather than falling down like they were. Lots and lots of blooms. So I just watered today. And again, I'm using the 20-20-20 fertilizer. Now, if you're only going to use one fertilizer, start to finish, all the way, the 20-20-20 is probably the best choice to grab. Possibly the 15-30-15, but I think for a general all-around fertilizer, the 20-20-20 is just about as good as you're going to get, unless you're going to do a whole different mix at different times of your plant growth. But as you can see, plants are getting nice and tall. Man, it's still way too early to start topping them. Another foot and a half on this box, and I'm going to have to start topping them. They're doing really good. Look at how thick that stem is. That's one thing I've noticed since swapping over from the 28-10-10. They're not growing as much foliage as fast, but the stems are getting way thicker, which is good. More stems, more roots. It'll make it better for them when they start producing fruit. And you can see back in there, that's the Rio Grande again. They got lots of blossoms coming. Here is my Lemon Boy, and he's got blossoms coming. Now the Lemon Boy's usually a little slower than most of the other tomatoes, so I'm not worried that they don't have as much blossoms on them. The Sunrise Bumblebees, never grown them before, so we'll see how they turn out. Boy, they got lots of blossoms on. No fruit yet. I'm expecting fruit to set in the next couple of weeks. And that'll be good. That'll be when I'll possibly start moving over to either the Power Bloom or maybe my other bloom pushing fertilizer. We'll see what the decision is made down the line. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick little update. The garden's doing good. Still have my little rose there. The other roses I put out into the garden are looking, of course, much better. And this one here I'll put into probably a quart pot and bring it in the house for the winter. And I'm gonna try doing some cloning. I picked up an aloe vera plant. An aloe vera plant is supposed to be really good for cloning. I've never used it, but I've heard good things about it. So I have a couple of rose bushes that I'm gonna try to clone, and possibly I'll try some more rosemary. I did good last year cloning rosemary and gave all the clones away, so I'll try again this year. That'll be for another video. Anyways, that's it for now. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day, enjoying yourself. Beautiful sunny day today here, so I'll probably be hanging out in the garden. Cheers, have fun.